What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to be out working on the mini bike. We're going to try to get this thing ready for the GPS 180. Went ahead and picked up a couple parts. I got a new exhaust for it, just a new carb filter. I got some extra little jets. I'm going to jet the carb up, and then we got a torque converter. So I think the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to slap my helmet on real quick and mount the GoPro, and we're gonna go do a speed test, and then we'll put the parts on and we'll see if we gained or lost any speed. Well, now that I got the exhaust nice and hot, I'm gonna go ahead and pull this off. I think it's just a 13. Either that or I'm stripping it out. All right. I'm gonna go ahead and pull that off real quick. Playtex Racing decided to show up, come help with the mini bike build. What's up, dude?
What's up, YouTube? My name is Ryan.
All right, so we got Ryan over here helping. He just went ahead and got the little filter box off. We're gonna put the new filter on the carb. Actually, should we put the new jet in first?
The jet just comes out right here.
Nice. So we got the carb off and we are pulling the jets out. These are the factory ones, and I think we're just gonna go with the biggest number. I think it was like a 90, or maybe we should do like an 85. Which one is?
Does it say on there?
Yeah, it's little tiny numbers.
There's 90.
Let's go a little bit lower.
95.
85.
85.
Let's
90?
do 8. Yeah.
Just in between.
Yeah, we'll just do the 90.
Cross-thread it?
Yeah, just go ahead and rip it really good. Make sure it's extra tight. You don't want that thing falling out. Did you put Loctite on it?
There we go.
She looks solid.
Solid, bro.
Yeah, you can't see anything. This should just slip down.
I think you're gonna lose maybe some top speed.
Yeah, that's kind of what I was thinking too. That's all right though.
I'll put these in the bag.
I'll go ahead and tighten this up.
Click, click, click.
Just tighten it until it gets loose again.
Oh, that'd be dope. All right.
All right, and this.
I would go like.
How do you want to face it?
Like that.
All right. Just slide it all the way up on there.
Yeah.
Sick. All right, now we got the filter on. Yeah, we got the exhaust over here on. Exhaust looks really good. Ryan went ahead and started pulling the clutch off for the torque converter, but he found out that the bolts that they send with the kit are the wrong size. He ran into the exact same problem with his. So we're gonna go make a trip to the hardware store, get the right bolts, and we'll get the torque converter on, and we'll see if this thing rips. All right, so which ones do we need?
I need 5/16/24 for it all, I think.
5/16.
Yeah, but these are, there we go. 5/16/24. Here we go. So we need 4 of them this size, and then 1 of them this size, and that's it. All right.
So we are back with the extra bolts. Ryan is getting that on. He also made me this custom number plate. It's gonna take place of the headlight, so it's gonna look like that. So that's really cool. Thank you again, Ryan. But we are gonna get this torque converter all bolted up and see how she rips. All right, guys, so we ended up getting the torque converter all the way on. We got the exhaust on, put some light on it, and we tightened the chain, got the filter on. So now we're gonna go ahead.
This is start and this is run.
Give her a first start.
Let's go for first start. You're in choke right now.
All right.
Oh, yeah.
First pull.
Whoa. That sounds good. That sounds really good. All you need to do drive-by.
All right, guys, so I was gonna do the top speed test in this video, but I went ahead and I started stripping the bike back down, and the next thing to come off is the motor. But I'm in the process of just sanding the frame. I'm gonna get it all the way down to the metal and just lay a nice coat of paint on it just so it looks good. I went ahead and painted the fenders and the tank. Those look a lot better on camera. And so I guess the top speed run will be in the next video next week. So yeah, if you guys like these videos or you're going to the GPS 180, go ahead and like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.